Today is Wednesday. Today you have Facts 22. For your assignment, you'll have the A side and the B side subtraction today. So make sure you do both sides. Take your time. When you are done, keep playing this video and then we'll get going on our power up. All right, third grade, we are on lesson 11 today. Lesson 11 starts on page 67. So your power up is right here on page 67. We're back to power up A with our facts, so go ahead and rock these facts out. When you're done, go ahead, press pause on this video. Press pause on this video. When you're done, go ahead, press play, and we'll grade it together. Hopefully you're done with your math power up by now. Let's go ahead and grade it together. Remember, circle it as we correct it. 6 plus 6 is 12. 3 plus 8 is 11. 5 plus 9 is 14. 2 plus 3 is 5. 4 plus 9 is 13. 3 plus 4 is 7. 8 plus 9 is 17. 2 plus 7 is 9. 0 plus 3 is 3. 4 plus 4 is 8. 4 plus 8 is 12. 2 plus 9 is 11. 7 plus 8 is 15. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 2 plus 6 is 8. 5 plus 5 is 10. 6 plus 7 is 13. 3 plus 7 is 10. 9 plus 9 is 18. Next row. 7 plus 9 is 16. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 9 is 15. 4 plus 7 is 11. 0 plus 0 is 0. 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 plus 9 is 12. 5 plus 8 is 13. 3 plus 6 is 9. 8 plus 8 is 16. 4 plus 6 is 10. 2 plus 5 is 7. 6 plus 8 is 14. 3 plus 5 is 8. 5 plus 7 is 12. 10 plus 10 is 20. 2 plus 8 is 10. 7 plus 7 is 14. Excellent. Counting today, we're counting by twos from 2 to 50, then back down to 2. I'll go faster on the way up and slower when we're going backwards. Ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. Notice they all ended in 0, then 2, then 4, then 6, then 8. Then we restarted. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. All right? Use that as we're going backwards. So 50, 48, 46, 44, 42, 40. 38, 36, 34, 32, 30. 28, 26, 24, 22, 20. 18, 16, 14, 12, 10. 8, 6, 4, 2. Awesome. Mental math. A says 28 plus 30. 8 plus 0 is 8. 2 plus 3 is 5, so we get 58. Next, 28 plus 29. 8 plus 9 is 17. 1 goes up, 7 comes down. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 2 more is 5, so we get 57. C, 37 plus 50. 7 plus 0 is 7. 3 plus 5 is 8. So we get 87. D, 37 plus 49. That'll be 1 less than we had before because 49 is 1 less than 50. So it should be 86, but let's double check. 7 plus 9 is 16. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 4 more is 8. So we get 86. Very good. E, 56 plus 40. 6 plus 0 is 6. 5 plus 4 is 9, so we get 96. When we add 39 instead of 40, we should get 95. Let's double check. 6 plus 9 is 15. 1 goes up, 5 comes down. 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 3 is 9, so yep, we get 95. Problem solving. Copy this design of 10 circles on your paper. Then, outside each circle, write the sum of the numbers in that circle and the 2 numbers on either side. Okay? So, here's what this one's asking us to do. We need 10 circles first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? We're following the same pattern, so it's going to be that 1, skip, skip, 2, skip, skip, 3, skip, skip, 4. All right? 1, skip, skip, 2, skip, skip, 3, skip, skip, 4, skip, skip, 5, skip, skip, 6, skip, skip, 7, skip, skip, 8, skip, skip, 9, skip, skip, 10. All right? Then what we're doing is we're going to add, for this, above this number 1, we're going to add this one, and this one. So 4 plus 8 is 12, plus 1 more is 13. 1 plus 8 is 9, plus 5 more is 14. 8 plus 4 is 13, plus 2 more is 15. Catching a pattern? 13, 14, 15. Let's check to see if it keeps coming. 5 plus 2 is 7, plus 9 more is 16. 2 plus 9 is 11, plus 6 more is 17. 9 plus 6 is 15, plus 3 more is 18. 6 plus 3 is 9, plus 10 more is 19. 3 plus 10 is 13, plus 7 more is 20. 10 plus 7 is 17, plus 4 more is 21. 4 plus 7 is 11, plus 1 more is 12. All right, so we start above the 4, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. All right? Doing problems like this are just a good challenge for your brain. Thinking about different patterns like this help your brain grow. Okay, so we'll have a couple more like this in our next few lessons, and that you'll get some practice on. Turn it over, we're on the back. We'll learn about our new concept for today, addition word problems. Make sure that you keep your book out, make sure that you're following along with my video so that you learn our new concept, and then we'll go over some problems at the end. Hello class, we're on lesson 11 in your math book. It starts on page 67, and today you will learn how to solve word problems with a missing addend. So in the past we've done this without a word problem. We've just had a problem like 7 plus m equals 12, and then we've had to subtract 12 minus 7 is how we get to m. Today what we're doing is we're going to pull those numbers out of a word problem to take it to the next level. So we're on example 1 on the back. Example 1 says Walter had 8 marbles. Then Lamont gave him some more marbles, right? We don't know how many, we just know he gave him some more. Walter has 17 marbles now. Now he's got 17. How many did Lamont give him? So we've got some plus some more equals 17. Now this is a missing number in an addition sentence. To find the answer, we subtract. So do 17 minus 8. This is what you should be writing on your paper right here. 17 minus 8. 17 minus 8 is 9. Do I need a label? Yes. So I've got 9 marbles. All right. Let's get going on example 2. Example 2 says Jamie picked some apples. It doesn't say how many, so we're just going to use a letter to represent that. Then it says then she picked 5 more. So n plus 5 more. Now she's got 12. How many did Jamie pick first? Well, we've got a missing number in an addition sentence, so to find the answer we're going to subtract. So we'll do 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5 is 7, so we get n equals 7 apples. Notice we got that label on there. All right? Example 3 says there are 24 students in the whole class. Notice the whole class is 24. If there are 14 boys, how many girls are there? So 14 boys plus the girls equals 24. Missing number in addition sentence. To find the answer, let's subtract. 24 minus 14. 4 minus 4 is 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. So we know there are 10 girls. All right. Excellent. That's all of our examples for today. Let's move into our lesson practice. It's on page 69, right here in the middle. Starts with A. Lucille had 4 marigolds. Let's do that together. Lesson practice A. Lucille had 4 marigolds. Lola gave her some more marigolds. We don't know for sure how many. Some more. Now she has 12 marigolds. So how many marigolds did Lola give Lucille? We're going to go ahead and make a subtraction sentence out of this. 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4 is 8. So we get 8 marigolds. Type of flower. All right. B says 12 of the 25 students in the class were girls. How many were boys? So boys plus girls equals 25. Well, it told us how many girls there were. There were 12 girls. So boys plus 12 equals 25. Let's go ahead and make it into a subtraction sentence. 25 minus 12. 5 minus 2 is 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. So we get 13 boys in the class. C. At 7 a.m. the air was cool, but by noon the temperature had increased 25 degrees to 68. What was the temperature at 7 a.m.? Okay, so in the morning we don't know what temperature was. But then it increased, it went up, we added 25 degrees, and now we've got 68 degrees. Let's flip that and make it to a subtraction sentence. 68 minus 25. 8 minus 5 is 3. 6 minus 2 is 4. So we get 43 degrees. Now you've got 2 choices with that. You could either write 43 and then this little, that little circle up there means degrees Fahrenheit. Otherwise, you could write 43 degrees. Up to you, whatever is easier for you to do. That concludes our lesson practice for today. So this sheet you can get tucked back in your folder. We will be going over some problems together under my dot cam, so make sure you watch all the way to the end of the video. Let's get after some math problems for lesson number 11. First things first, get your name on the top. Then, let's go with number 1. Number 1 says, if a winter day has 10 hours of daylight, then the day has how many hours of darkness? So 10 hours of daylight plus the darkness is going to equal 24. Missing number in an addition sentence. To find the answer, let's subtract. So we've got to do 24 minus 10. 4 minus 0 is 4. 2 minus 1 is 1. So we get n equals 14 hours. That's our label on that. How many hours? 14 hours. Number 2 says Tamara read 6 pages before lunch. After lunch, she read some more. If Tamara read 13 pages in all, we know that's our total. How many pages did she read after lunch? Missing number in addition sentence. To find the answer, let's subtract. 13 minus 6, we get 7. So we get 7 pages. Number 4. Use digits and symbols to write this comparison. Negative 12 is less than 0. So remember, negative numbers are below 0. So we're going to say negative 12 is less than 0, right? Because 0 is bigger, so you want to eat the bigger number. Anything negative is always smaller than 0. Number 5, compare -2 is less than, greater than, or equal to 2. Well, a negative number is always smaller than a positive number. So -2 is less than 2. Your less than symbol can just go in your box at the side. Pause it if you're not done yet, because I'm flipping it over. 24 is where we're going to go next. 24 says 4 plus 3 plus 5 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6 plus 2. Right away, I'm looking for those numbers that equal 10. 8 and 2 equals 10. Use the 8, use the 2. 4 and 6 equals 10. Use the 4, use the 6. 3 and 7 equals 10. I use the 3, I use the 7. So now I just have this 5 left. 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 10, 20, 30. Plus 5 more is going to give me 35. Right? If you didn't see how I did that at the end, 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 is going to equal 35. And lastly, let's go down to number 28. 28 says compare. We've got 3 comparisons. So write A, B, and C. Our first comparison is 89 compared to 64. Sorry, it's a 9. Good thing you guys use pencil on your assignments. $94. Next one is 409 as compared to 177. The last one is 61 compared to 26. Excellent. So 89 or 94. Well, they both have 2 digits. The 9's bigger, so 89 is less than 94. So for A, you can just write a less than symbol. B, 409 or 177. Well, 409 is greater than 177, so you can write greater than for B. And lastly, for C, 61 is greater than 26, so you write greater than for C as well. Excellent. Keep working hard on all the rest of your problems. If you have any more questions, we'll go over those at our Zoom call.